Welcome back to Manoj Nambiar's channel. Today's topic is how to be assertive. Being assertive is about being clear in deciding what needs to be said and about getting your own way with a minimum of conflict. One of the most crucial aspects of communicating as a supervisor is to be able to say clearly what you want. Being aggressive is wanting to have your way without any consideration of other people's feelings. In being assertive, you recognize other people's feelings but are also able to get your own point of view across. Sometimes people behave after they consider other people's feelings and not their own. These people are behaving in a passive way. There are many times as a supervisor when you will be called upon to be assertive. You may have a problem with a staff member or need to insist on particular requirements from a supplier. You should follow the steps. Decide what you want. Say it clearly and specifically. Support what you say by the way that you say it. Do not manipulate or sidetrack. Listen and aim for a solution that lets you both win. What is really meant by communication? Of course, you communicate with customers, suppliers, and others outside the agency. In the context of your role as a supervisor, you will deal mainly with the transfer of information between you and your work group.